exhibit the leadership skills and potential of our students. It is one of the most esteemed events in our school calendar. Year after year, it reaffirms the trust and confidence we place in our collective cabinet. Over 3 decades, God of honor is given by our NCC students from class 9 and 10. They are led by Ms. Kohil Shil, Ms. K. Rhea, Ms. K. Lakshmi Hansika.
Thank you, children. I would now like to distinguished educator, but also an inspiring leader who exemplifies excellence in every role she undertakes at our school. Her dedication and wisdom have both been a guiding light for both students and staff alike. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. J. Sujata to enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Good morning, one and all present here. Thank you all for sparing your time to join us today on this special occasion. A very warm welcome to our chief guest, Srimati T. Jyoti Garu, the Secretary and Correspondent of the Secunderabad Public School, our young dynamic director, Ms. Pooja, our General Manager, Sri Upendra Ravi, our Director, Mr. M. Augustine, Chief Operations Officer, Mr. Vijay Shankar. Today, I am thrilled to welcome you all the proud parents, on the behalf of my colleagues, our students, on this investiture ceremony 2024-25 of the Secunderabad Public School. This year, the joy of celebration is manifold as the management has been so generous in spending to improve the infrastructure of this school. As you have all seen, the front elevation has been changed with better provision for the waiting parents. The senior secondary classrooms have been made bigger. All the classrooms now have new boards, furniture and projection screens. All the classrooms are now having better ventilation and bigger space for the students. Nevertheless, the washrooms have been renovated with the latest sanitary fittings. These are only a few to mention. There is so much more yet to come. I take this opportunity to thank Jyoti Madam and her dynamic daughters for investing such a huge amount in making our school a better place for our students. Their generous gestures have made this occasion more special. I thank all the members of the management for their timely guidance, constant support and motivation. The investiture ceremony is always a memorable and important event for all the students who look forward to being a part of this event in one way or the other. For us, this is a great opportunity to discover the untapped talents of the students, while it radiates a sense of responsibility and pride among the students. Today, we are ready to embark on such a vital journey, marking the beginning of a new academic year with a new student leadership. The chapter begins now. As they say that leaders are not born, they are made through hard work, not just theirs, but also of the parents and teachers. After parents, it's only the teachers' fraternity who give their best to the students so that the children can grow up to their fullest capacity and become their very best. The teachers feel that their best rewards lie in the success of their students. I am very happy to announce that Miss Anumaganti Rivera of grade 12 will be the new head girl, and Master Ramurthy Chaurasia of grade 12 will be the new head boy, and hope that they will be heading the school cabinet of PSPS with high spirits and responsibility. I wish that the other members of the cabinet will also discharge their duty in various positions of the student council for the smooth functioning of our school activities. I am glad that the members of the management and teaching staff have actively involved themselves and left no stone unturned to find the best and befitting candidate for each of the posts in the student council. The students of class 5 and above who have exercised their franchise through electronic voting must have been very happy to get their elected student leaders. I would like to congratulate all the newly elected leaders, their parents, and wish them good future with a suggestion. If you want to be a true leader, do everything you can to grow yourself and create the right environment for others to grow. Thank you all. Take care and enjoy the proceedings. Jai Bharat.
We as a team would definitely strive to realize your thoughts into action.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and cherished friends, as we embark on today's festivities, we begin with a tradition steeped in elegance and exuberance. Our welcome dance transcends mere performance. It is a vibrant expression of our shared joy and profound respect for each and every one of you. It symbolizes our unity in celebration and a testament to the harmony of this special occasion. Please join me in welcoming in our midst these exceptionally talented students with grace and rhythm. They will ignite the spirit of our gathering and set the stage aglow. Let their dance resonate through our
and our principal ma'am to proceed towards the side ring for the ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us commence the proceedings of the most prestigious in 2024. The resonant call of the trumpet has heralded the start of this momentous occasion. Today, we stand on the brink of a promising future as the newly appointed office bearers prepare to assume their responsibilities. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection and growth.
Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest to present the school flag to the head boy, Master Damodji Chaurasia from Class 12 Commerce. He believes in teamwork spirit. He seeks to improve the students' discipline. He is a charming young man, having participated in many school activities made him popular among the peers. We are confident that under our leadership, head girl of school is Miss Revira Anumaganti from Class 12 Commerce. Head girl of the school is Miss Revira Anumaganti from Grade 12 Commerce. She is a confident and dynamic Class 12 Commerce student with a passion for transforming challenges into opportunities. She aspires to become a company.
I,
Revira,
of class,
12 Commerce,
accept the post of
head girl,
with all its duties
with all its duties
and responsibilities.
and responsibilities.
I promise to obey
I promise to obey
my principal,
my principal,
teachers and all in authority above me.
teachers and all in authority above me.
I will perform my duties
I will perform my duties
faithfully
faithfully
and conscientiously
and conscientiously,
and uphold the dignity
uphold the dignity
and good name
and good name
of the school
of this school
and my country.
and my country.
I shall strive to be
I shall strive to be
an all-round performer,
an all-round performer,
good at studies,
good at studies,
sports,
sports,
and exemplary in conduct.
and exemplary in conduct.
I also promise
I also promise
to be loyal to the school
to be loyal to the school
and its ideals.
and its ideals.
I declare Ramurthy Chaurasya as the head boy and Anumaganti Revira as the head girl. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you. I request the 4 house captains and the captain of Bio House is A. Sulaksh from class 10D. His interests include playing basketball, cycling and programming. He aspires to become a data scientist in the field of artificial intelligence. He is a very enthusiastic learner and believes that the captain of Agni House is Miss P. Vyomini Lakshmi from class 11 Science. Her common The vice captain of Agni House is Master Mahant Mula from class 9B. He is a state cricket player of under 12 and has played several league tournaments. He aspires to become a computer engineer. His hobbies include playing cricket and volleyball. The captain of Prithvi House is Master K. Hema Harshavardhan of class 10D. He is an all-rounder who wishes to join the civil services to serve his nation. With his leadership, he will undoubtedly make a difference. His interests include playing volleyball, cricket, and even cooking. Harsha is a sincere student and works in an organized manner. The vice captain of Prithvi House is Master Moinuddin Najib. His hobbies include playing cricket, volleyball and badminton. He also loves reading books and also loves to do cycling. He aspires to become an entrepreneur and also become a Formula One racer.
The captain of Akash House is Miss P. Sirisha from class 11 Science. Her ambition is to become an architect. Her hobbies include sketching, listening to music, and reading books.
Come closer, guys.
Miss P. Sai Manasvi is the vice captain from class 9A. She is a multitasker, responsible, and a determined girl. She has a lot of patience too. She wants to become an astrophysicist as she loves to explore things beyond human imagination. Her hobbies include playing badminton, dancing, and painting. I request our principal ma'am to administer the oath of office.
I, of class, captain or vice captain, of, accept the post with all its duties and responsibilities.
Accept the post with all its duties and responsibilities.
Do you promise to obey your principal, teachers, and all in authority above you?
We do.
Do you realize that you will be required to be role model students, good in studies, sports, and exemplary in conduct?
We do.
Do you promise to be faithful and conscientious in performing your duties and work without favor and prejudice?
We do.
Do you promise to uphold the dignity and good name of the school and be loyal to the school and its ideals?
We do.
Congratulations all.
I request Secretary and Deputy of the Cultural Cup to come forward for badging. Cultural Secretary is Ms. P. Veda Vaibhavi from Class 12 Science. Her hobbies include reading and dancing. She is a trained Kuchipudi dancer and aspires to become a criminal psychologist. She is now preparing for the upcoming program at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Deputy Cultural Secretary is Ms. Kanishka from Class 10D. She wishes to become an actress and pursue BA in dramatics. Her hobbies include doing home chores, playing in the evening during holidays and studying.
वही चीज़ का
I request the Secretary and Deputy of Echo Club to come forward for badging.
Your face should be visible.
I request the Secretary and Deputy of the Echo Club to come forward for badging. Echo Club Secretary is Ms. Srinika Mathur from Class 10D. She is fond of reading, swimming and playing chess. And in her free time, she writes poems too. She aspires to become an author and an environmentalist. She believes in conserving the natural resources and including the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle among the students of PSPS.
Deputy Secretary is Ms. Varsha Rao from class 10B. Her hobbies include playing badminton, listening to music and reading books. She loves to be surrounded by nature. And she wants to become a chartered accountant.
नील ताक
Water.
I request the Secretary and Deputy of Fine Arts Club to come forward for badging. Ms. Riya Joshi,
Give us some water.
Ms. Riya Joshi is a Fine Arts Secretary from class 12 Commerce. Her hobbies include learning new languages, sketching and art. She aspires to become an architect and this is the second time in a row to become Fine Arts Club Secretary. Fine Arts Deputy Secretary is Ms. Avni Thakur from class 10D. She has been in TSPS since kindergarten. She likes to paint, sketch, read, cook and play ukulele. She likes painting, sketching, reading books. She has been awarded with national and international prizes in art competitions. Her passion towards arts has made her choose architecture as a career in her future. I request the Secretary and Deputy of the Health and Hygiene Club to come forward for badging. Health and Hygiene Secretary is Ms. T. Anudipti from class 11 Science. She loves watching movies, cooking and learning listening facts. As she aspires to become a cardiologist. The Deputy Secretary is Master Jeevan Nag. He loves playing volleyball and listening to music. His parents are his inspiration and his aspiration to become a successful businessman. I request the Secretary the Secretary and Deputy Secretary of Heritage Club to come forward for badging. Heritage Club Secretary is Master Kashinath from class 12 Commerce. His hobbies are watching sports, reading books. He aspires to become a cost management accountant. Deputy Secretary is Ms. Disha Modi from class 11 Commerce. She aspires to become a cost management accountant, and her hobbies include dancing, cooking, and reading books related to Indian heritage and culture.
I request the Secretary and Deputy of the Literary Club to come forward for badging. The Secretary of Literary Club is Master Muhammad Ahmed Siddiqui. His hobbies include reading and writing poetry and playing cricket too. He aspires to become an economist. Literary Club Deputy Secretary is Ms. Sreha S. from class 10A. She is a talented, matured, balanced and a calm person. She is a great listener and loves reading books. She motivates people to push their limits and try new things. I request the Secretary and the Deputy of the Science Club to come forward for badging. Science Club Secretary is Master Rohin from class 10D. He loves reading books, playing e-sports and cycling. His inspiration is Bill Gates and aspires to become an AI engineer at a multinational company. The Deputy Secretary is Master K. Abhinav from class 10D. He loves science and is also interested in math and physics, and is extremely curious about the world around him. He aspires to become an aeronautical engineer. He enjoys listening to music, singing, drawing and playing chess. I now request the Secretary and Deputy of the Sports Club to come forward for badging. The Sports Club Secretary is Master Vignesh Mahankali from class 12 Science. He aspires to play in the NBA. He is a 4-time national player, a 3-time FIBA gold medalist. He is also going to play in the Student Olympics very shortly. The Deputy Secretary of Sports is Master Asnan from class 10A. His hobbies include playing volleyball, cricket and listening to music. His ambition is to become a successful entrepreneur. Singing, reading, painting, embroidery, dancing, fashion designing and learning more about artificial intelligence. Her favorite authors are Ruskin Bond and Charles Dickens. She draws inspiration from Sir Ramanujan and Einstein for the way they define math and science. She aspires to make India the most cyber secure and the strongest in the field of artificial intelligence. Deputy Secretary of the Tourism Club is Master Akhil D from class 10D. His hobbies are traveling, reading and playing Kho-Kho. His favorite author is J.K. Rowling and his favorite book is Harry Potter. And he is inspired by Marie Curie and Albert Einstein. His aim in life is to become a cardiovascular surgeon by graduating from AIIMS, New Delhi. I request the secretary and the deputy of the quiz club to come forward for badging. The quiz club secretary is Master Dhairya Patel from class 11 science. His hobbies include coding, reading and cycling. And he aspires to become a robotic engineer. The Deputy Secretary is Master Aditya Singh Thakur from class 10D. He aspires to become an engineer. He enjoys skating and reading books. His favorite author is Philip Pullman. He loves outdoor sports, especially basketball and volleyball. Spending time with his family is what he cherishes the most.
Duties and responsibilities.
Accept the post with all its duties and responsibilities.
Do you promise to obey your principal, teachers and all in authority above you?
We do.
Do you realize that you will be required to be role model students, good in studies, sports and exemplary in conduct?
We do.
Do you promise to be faithful and conscientious in performing your duties and work without favor and prejudice?
We do.
Do you promise to uphold the dignity and good name of the school and be loyal to the school and its ideals?
We do.
Congratulations all.
Congratulations to all the secretaries and deputy secretaries of the various clubs. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. The signal making them best citizens. Foreseeing the welfare of the students' future to train them in leadership skills, the School Students' Council was selected after a rigorous and democratic process in which the students had to go through many processes to get selected for the much coveted Students' Council's body.
one's own feet. Our newly appointed head boy, Master Ramurthy Chaurasia, and head girl, Miss Revira Anumagandi, will hoist the school flag followed by the school anthem. May I now kindly request everyone to rise for the school.
Together, heart to heart, we're going to show the world.
our Honorable Chief Guest to take the salute of marching contingents. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present the proud office bearers marching with their heads held high in front of you. They are led by our head boy, Master Ramurthy Chaurasya, and head girl, Ms. Revera Anumagachi. They are accompanied by our secretaries and deputy secretaries of our 10th class. Marching in contingent depends on alertness and an unspoken coordination. The time strikes up and the high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of horns and the sound of cadence stir within us. The next contingent is Vayu House. The house in charge is Mrs. Shailja ma'am. The captain is Master Suraj from class 10D. And the vice captain is Gautam of class 9. Vayu is a primary Hindu deity, the lord of the wind. Yellow, the color of Vayu stands for sunshine, hope and happiness, positivity, clarity, energy and optimism. Now we have the Akash House. The in charge is Mr. Sailaj. It is led by the captain, Ms. Sri Sirisha from class 11 science. Manasri is the vice captain from class 9B. Akash House with the motor soaring high. It is one of the 5 elements of the nature. The blue color symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith and truth. They are followed by Agni House. The in charge is Mrs. Pratibha. It is led by Ms. Doni from class 11 science. And the vice captain is Master Mahan from class 9B. Igniting spirits is the motto of this house. We have the Prithvi House now. The teacher in charge of the greenhouse is Mrs. Karuna. It is being led by the captain, Master M. Harshavardhan of class 10. Master Maimuddin is the vice captain at class 9B. The motto of the Prithvi House is fragrance. Prithvi is a Sanskrit word which means earth. It depicts honesty which invites in students to do all the given duties with utmost sincerity.
Last but not the least, our school cherishes its affiliation with NCC. It's a voluntary organization that recruits candidates from high schools, colleges, and universities across India. NCC is affiliated with openly It aims to cultivate character, instill discipline, nurture leadership, foster a culture of growth, encourages a spirit of adventure, and promote of self-reliance. And our school recognizes as an esteemed NCC member, students receive fundamental military training in small firearms and participate in parades. This experience not only enhances their physical and tactical skills, but also imbues them with a profound sense of national pride and civil duty. The presence of What is a march past without a band? Our school band has added rhythm and energy that perfectly match the enthusiasm and marching contingents. They have put in hours of practice to make towards even better. They must be appreciated. Please give a round of applause to our school band which is led by Mr. Anthony and team. It has definitely created a perfect atmosphere. The music, the marching contingents have left us spellbound. In the words of Martin Luther King, a genius leader is not a searcher of consensus, but a molder of consensus. Effective leader is putting first things first.
gentlemen, we present for impartial cabinet selection, but also an educational experience to practice democracy in true spirit. Hence, the students who were desirous of taking part in the school cabinet had to qualify a preliminary general IQ written test, which was followed by the panel of judges. The interview panel consisted of our academic director, Mr. M. Augustine, Mrs. J. Sujata, the principal, Mrs. Daisy Paul, the vice principal, and all the HODs, the 4 house captains, house masters, and the club in charges. The head boy and the head girl were selected through a distinct procedure by presenting their manifesto in the school assembly. A day was allotted for campaigning, and the students above class 5 voted for head boy and head girl. All the students showed a high sense of responsibility and discipline during the whole process. What is leadership? It's the process by which one person influences the thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors of others. Leaders set a direction for the rest of us. They help us see what lies ahead. They help us visualize what we might achieve. They encourage us and inspire us. Without leadership, a group of human beings quickly degenerates into argument and conflict because we see things in different ways and lean towards different solutions. Leadership helps to point us in the same direction and harness our efforts jointly. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. This day is a major day in every student's life, as it gives a return to the efforts put in by them throughout the academic endeavors. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling their commitments. For yesterday is but a dream, and tomorrow but a mission. But today will live makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. The school cabinet is a very integral part of the school and comprises a well-knit team chosen by the school authorities. The cabinet is sworn in at the investiture ceremony. Each cabinet term lasts for a year, after which the next term takes over. The cabinet is responsible for the maintenance of discipline in the school. They also shoulder responsibility of organizing all cultural programs and competitions held in the school. I request all the contingent to sit. girls. I now request the newly appointed leader, our head boy, Master Ramurthy Chaurasia, to deliver his first speech.
Esteemed teachers and my fellow students, I am Ramurthy Chaurasia of class 12 Commerce, and I am honored to stand before you today as the newly elected head boy of our school. This moment fills me with immense gratitude and a profound sense of responsibility. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our principal, teachers, and all my fellow students for believing in me. Your trust and support have made this achievement possible, and I am deeply humbled by the opportunity to serve you in this capacity. As I embark on this journey, I am committed to fostering an environment where every student feels valued, respected, and empowered. I would like to promote a healthy and a congenial environment. According to my perception, education extends beyond textbooks and classrooms. It encompasses the development of character, integrity, and resilience in every child. I rigidly believe that students' empowerment happens through leadership and involvement in decision making and so forth. Their voices are requisite in shaping our school's future. The school cabinet will always be reachable to you all at any time. I always aim at expanding the extracurricular opportunities to every child in the school in order to make them able to understand all the diverse range of clubs, events, sports, arts, science, and community services. As the head boy, I will always prioritize on fostering creativity and offering resources to support every student in achieving their full potential with a healthy mind. It is possible for every one of us to reinforce our abilities by teaching and learning. This journey is a collective effort, and I need your continuous support and involvement. Let's work together to make our school a place where everyone feels proud to be a part of. Share your ideas, participate in activities, and don't hesitate to reach out with your concerns. In conclusion, I am excited about the journey ahead and the positive changes we can achieve together. Let's work hand in hand to make this school year remarkable and memorable. Thank you once again for this incredible opportunity. Wishing all of you a good day ahead.
Thank you, Ramurthy. That was truly inspirational. I request our head girl, Ms. Ravina, to deliver her first speech.
Leadership is not about being the best. It's about making everyone else better. Warm greetings to all the dignitaries present here. I am Anumaganti Ravina of class 12 Commerce. It is with profound gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you today as the head girl of our esteemed institution, the Secunderabad Public School. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and parents who have relentlessly guided, nurtured and supported us. Being appointed as the head girl of SPS has been a long-awaited dream that has finally come true. This moment is a testament to the unwavering faith that this institution has placed in me, and I promise to honor this trust with the utmost commitment. Standing here today, I take this opportunity to pledge that I will do my best in fulfilling my responsibilities. I am here to listen, to support and to lead by example. My commitment is to ensure that our school environment remains positive to learning and growth. Reminded of the importance of cooperation and teamwork, I firmly believe that together we can achieve great things. It is through our shared vision and combined strengths that we will be able to overcome challenges and celebrate our success. Through discipline, we cultivate respect, responsibility and resilience. I promise that there will be no compromise on these values. I pledge to uphold the school's values, rules, regulations and ensure that they are reflected in all our actions. I assure you that I will strive to be an obedient, industrious and decorous head girl. I promise to stand by you in every way. Additionally, I aim to create a robust environment among us where we can grow, show unity in all situations. I stand firmly with my school cabinet. Together, we form a diverse and dynamic team, ready to face challenges ahead. I assure you that we will work in harmony, support each other, and lead with integrity and fairness. I will strive to do my best as long as I am in this institution as the head girl. I conclude by saying that your ideas, your concerns, and your dreams are important to me. Let us move forward with determination, unity, and shared sense of purpose. Together, we can make this year a memorable and successful one for the SPS. Jai Hind.
Vice Principal, Mrs. Stacey Paul, to give vote of thanks.
A very good morning to the distinguished guests, parents, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of the Secunderabad Public School and the school cabinet batch of the year 24 and 25. On this significant day, a sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati P. Jyoti Ma'am Garu, for giving her time and blessings to the newly elected Students' Council. We would like to extend our gratitude to our beloved director, Ms. Pooja Ma'am, involving in the entire process of cabinet formation. We also thank our principal, Ma'am J. Sujata, who continue to inspire us to come with a zeal and dedication. Behind every successful program lies the manifold efforts of our committed staff. I thank our PD sir, Mr. Venkat, Mr. Pasha, for their immense contribution in preparing the students for the parade and guard of honor so meticulously. We would like to thank our EDP team, Mr. Krishna and Mr. Moin, for the technical and digital media support. A big thanks to Ms. Neha and Swarnalata for adding the color and bling to the event. We also express our gratitude to Mr. Anthony for the band and training the student to cast a magical spell of rhythm on all of us, and also Mr. Sunil, Ms. Lahari, our music teachers, for the exceptional choir. A big thank you to all the teachers on duty and in the classrooms who have ensured that the program runs smoothly. We thank the admin staff and the support staff for the arrangements made in the ground as well as backstage of this occasion. We thank our parents and acknowledge our unconditional love and support to the school that you gave and for the keen interest you shown with regards to your work's progress. Your presence today on this Investitures Day bears a testimony of how keen you are regarding the school and its activities. I wish to thank each one of you present here for making this event a grand success. Thank you.
Are you all ready to take the results? The first prize goes to Prithvi House with a total of 516, followed by Akash at the second position with 475 marks. In the third place is Vayu House with 467 marks, followed by Agni House with 454 marks. Nevertheless, every one of you has put in the best of yourself. I congratulate everybody once again. Good job.